Today I'm gonna let you know what happened with my BoxyLuxe. So if you are not familiar with BoxyCharm, they are a US beauty subscription that only ships to US and Canada. As many of you know, I live in Europe, so I use a shipping forwarding company to ship my shopping from the US to the Europe. And in September I had some issues. But anyway, BoxyLuxe is a quarterly upgrade of the monthly beauty subscription from BoxyCharm. The September one was $49.99, but starting from December they've added $10 more. Anyway, this is sadly my last BoxyCharm Luxe box, not only because of the increasing of the price, but because of the problems that have started to occur in our European customs. So that was the main reason my order got delayed. It stayed almost 1 month in custom for declaration and stuff like this, and all the paperwork that is related to custom clearance. I also have my BoxyCharm Premium for the month of September. Maybe I will show you that in the end of this video. And I'm waiting to ship my October boxes. They are already in the US and they are waiting for me to ship them here, but I just didn't want to have 2 stuck packages in customs. So I said first, let's solve the problem with this one and then let's ship the October boxes. This is the BoxyLuxe, at least the box that they are shipping in, so is this size usually. This is not the box that it was shipped in, but just an old box that I kept from previous shipments, because when I'm consolidating my packages I asked them to remove the outer boxes. Unfortunately, in September as well they took my leaflet, so I don't have any leaflet from Premium or from Luxe. I was just checking the BoxyCharm webpage and I was able to construct the boxes. So I don't have the card. I know they had a lovely card. This is what I have inside. Now all my packages were open for custom purpose, so I have something leaked inside. We are going to get to that in a minute. So first I have this Grace and Stella Let Just Sleep sleeping mask. It was opened, of course. They opened everything, guys. So this is a gel mask that you are supposed to put it in your refrigerator and put it to your eyes to help for the pop. I think it's a lovely concept. Then I have the product that has leaked, and I have no idea if it was shipped by this from BoxyCharm or it was because they opened all the packages. So this is by Bamboo and it's a body polish. I'm not sure if it's for wash or it's a body cream. Doesn't smell bad, but judging from the name, body polish, I suppose it's something that you use to cleanse your body. I'm going to do some researches where I'm editing. The third product that I got is a pair of lashes by MAC. They seem to be really fluttery. Do they have a name? Unfortunately, I cannot tell you the style because it's not written on the box. It was probably on the leaflet. The fourth product, which I was the most excited about, it's a flat iron by the brand Adagio, not so mini ceramic flat iron, designed with love in California. And I'm excited about this because I do not actually own a flat iron, so let's see. This is the actual product. Oh, and it's quite small. I'm going to need a plug-in or a converter from the US plug-in to the European one, but I have one that I use for my ring light, so I think I'm going to borrow that one, or maybe I'm going to buy a separate one. And maybe in my upcoming videos you are going to see me with my hair straightened up. I think that might be the most pricey product from the box. Next, I got a Saturday Skin Probiotic Power Wiped Cream. So this is the actual tube. I'm not going to open it. I'm working through my face and eye creams, and I have a lot of them open and many more to come for try on, so I really don't want to use it. But anyway, I heard good things about Saturday Skin. I have a very big contour palette that I know everyone got it. So is their contour kit. Oh my god, you guys, the pans are huge. I haven't had something like this in my entire life. Okay, I see the banana powder is scratched. To be honest, I don't think that I'm going to keep this one because it's too big for my drawers. I have a eyeshadow makeup collection video that is up on my channel. As of now, I only have the part 1, but stay tuned for the part 2 and most probably for the part 3. If you will watch that video, you will see that I have a lot of reasons not to keep all the products that I'm getting. This is a product that I've seen everybody got in their Luxe boxes. Is by the brand the new company, Defense Drops. And they are supposed to help boost your immunity. I don't know. I need to read more about it before actually trying it. And the last product, and my choice, because I remember I only picked a product. The second choice were not so appealing to me, so I just let them pick for me. And I picked the Rare Beauty Confident Energy Eyeshadow Palette. It's my first Rare Beauty palette, so I'm excited. First, look at the glorious packaging. It's so beautiful and has some reflections to it. They actually look bigger than I thought. So those are all shimmery shades, and I'm really excited to try them. I'm not wearing it today, as you can tell. I'm wearing the eyeshadow palette that I got in the premium box. I think that we are speaking about the premium box. Maybe I will show you what I got. So briefly, this was my delayed September BoxyLuxe box. Now let me know what do you think about this box. I think I'm excited for some of the products, and some of the products were like let down. I'm not actually sad that I cancelled my boxes. I cancelled everything. The last boxes that I got were in October, and for November I have no box. I'm box free. So when you are opening, you have the blue inside, and it's the one that is coming with a blue cover. And from the beginning, I want to tell you that I only have 5 products. It's not the fault of BoxyCharm, but it's the fault of the shipping company, Planet Express. They open the packages, and when they canceled it, they told me that I have a dangerous product, they cannot ship it, and it was an aerosol that I received in the premium box. And I remember I had previous dangerous, like they say them, aerosols in previous boxes, and I had no problem. And I told them, but you were able to ship them before, why you are not doing right now? No, we are not shipping like this, and if we did before, I think we should report that to our superior. So at that moment, I was thinking that I need to move my subscriptions from Planet Express. I was not satisfied with the Planet Express for the past months, for the August and September, and I also was not satisfied by the shipping time. It was taking a lot of time to everything to reach to the Oregon. That was the reason I said I'm going to stop receiving subscriptions in Oregon, and I moved to Stackery. They have the warehouse on the East Coast, on the New Hampshire. What I didn't like, or why I didn't want to ship from Stackery, is the fact that they are working with DHL, and for some reasons I didn't want to use DHL because they have some strange policies, and I also was charged previously for a certain item, for an aerosol. I was charged additionally to ship it, and I know that I cannot prevent getting this kind of product in my boxes. So this was the main reason that I stayed with Planet Express, and now they didn't wanted to ship me that product, and I asked them, okay, if you don't ship it, then remove it from my box. But it was not possible. I need to do a special request for that and to be charged with an additional $5 to remove one product from my box. So I was not happy. I will put here on the screen which was the 6th product. I asked them to toss it, but what else I got? A Verb Ghost Oil. It's a weightless hair oil. Then I got another product for massage. I remember I got a similar product in the August box. So this is by Complex Culture, and it's a Sonic T-Bar facial massager, and I think I need to put on some battery. It's really similar with the one that I got last month or previous month on August. That one is for your eyes. Mostly I use it for my eyes area. It's more around, and I will check. I think it's from the same company. I might be wrong. I don't know for sure. The third product, you see it has the label on it, opened for custom purpose. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell. This is a product that I was hoping not to get it, even though it's nice and I don't have anything from this brand. So this is by Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. The packaging is nice, and you have 4 big pan shadows. Then I have something that I remember customizing. This is by Laura Mercier, and this mattifying oil-free moisturizer. To be honest, I thought it's a cleanser, but a moisturizer in a glass. It's not glass, I think it's plastic though. And we have 50 milliliters. I think it's handy, and I'm excited to try this. Being mattifying, I think I'm going to hold on to her and start using her next summer. And the 5th product, or the 6th product, because one of them I told you I have left without. It was another choice, another customization. This is a Snap Shadow in the shade Two Cool Neutrals, and it's coming also in this package. She has 6, I believe, and this is what I am wearing today. I like it. I want to say that I was surprised about the quality of the shadows inside. So I think I have used most of the shadows. The only one that I haven't used is this a bit more pinkish shade, but the other 5 I have used them. I used the pink one on the lower lash and the other 4 on the upper. They are nice, they are blending beautifully, and they are really buttery, so I am happy with my choice. And it's really small, sleek, it's good for travel. So I'm happy that I finally have a Fenty Beauty palette that I'm excited about, because if you have seen my first part of the eyeshadow palettes collection, I have her Moroccan Spice, I think it's named, and I'm not reaching so much for that, so spoiler. So yeah guys, this is everything. This is my delayed BoxyLuxe box for the month of September, and bonus, my incomplete BoxyCharm Premium. Usually when I was receiving my boxes, I was over the moon, but this time I was sad. I was sad because I paid for shipping over $100 for shipping, and I paid in taxes almost $100 more. So if this is not a good reason to cancel my subscriptions, I don't know what else it could be. But yeah guys, this is not done with me and BoxyCharm. You are going to hear from me, because I also have my October beauty boxes that I need to unbox. Now it's your turn to let me know what do you think about this. And yeah, if you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and other than that, I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye guys!